Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, DMV Chiropractor. I'm here today with Kwame. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, my man?
Man, you were telling me some stories, man. Well, not stories, like true stuff, you know? What's going on?
So basically, I'm here to see you today because I had a surgery back in February 20th of this year, 15th, and rotator cuff, bicep, 4 insertions. Been recovering for 10 months now. Probably project another 3 to 6. Experiencing mainly shoulder tightness. Motion is pretty decent. Just strength at this point, strength training. And a lot of tightness, as you can hear, it's
popping.
tricky.
Yeah.
So just working to get it right.
Okay. Any hardware, screws, metals?
No screws.
No screws, no metals?
No, it's just organic.
So, but no pain with what I'm doing. I'm pressing down on the shoulder, right?
No, not at all.
Okay. So just let it go for me. Okay. I'm just going to do some passive motion first. And then you let me know if at any point it starts to get uncomfortable for you. Okay. Okay, now I kind of feel you straining a little bit though. Oh, there's a lot of popping. Okay, but this is okay. It's not painful. That's not painful.
Usually that 80.
But the deltoids.
That angle.
Okay.
It's like right. That's where the development. And there is a sharpness. Not right now. So this insertion in the back right here.
Okay.
It's the hardest one to address because I can't really.
Okay, so your last. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, let's bring that down. Okay, so this shoulder, this is the good shoulder.
The better one.
The better one.
That one has some creaking too.
Yeah, I mean that's actually okay. The popping is okay as long as there's no pain associated with it.
Okay.
But then it's not painful though.
No.
Okay. Okay. I see. And you're back in the gym, benching and all that stuff too, right?
Yeah,
Working. Okay. So let's look at the range of motion for the neck too. Okay. It's a little tight. You haven't been here in a while. So it's a little tight.
Very tight.
Which is expected. Okay. Okay. All right. It's going to rotate you a bit here. Get lower back. It's a bit tight as well. Let's go to the other side. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so it's tight everywhere. Let's
That's what I'm trying to tell you. You warm up in the sauna or something. I try to have my shower.
We're gonna stretch you though. We're gonna stretch you today. So let me have you stand up for me. Bend forward, try to touch both feet. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Actually, the funny thing is, you have better range of motion than most of my people who haven't had surgery.
Been working.
But you work hard at it too, though. Can you bring both arms up, or is that gonna bother your shoulder?
Like that?
Let's have you extend and go back for me. Okay. That's pretty good, though, man. That's a good extension. Your range of motion is good, just the muscles are really tight, though. Okay. All right. Let me have you face down for me. Okay, start up top. Okay, lift this whole leg off the table straight. There you go. And bring it down. Is this as far as you go?
What do you mean?
Let's go again, all the way up. There you go. Good, perfect. Okay, same thing on the other side. All the way up. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Okay, now I felt your muscles firing when you did that.
Okay.
That wasn't painful though, right?
No.
Okay.
It's tight.
It's tight.
Everything is tight.
Everything is tight. Okay, all right. What I'm gonna do is we'll do the adjustments first, and then after that we're gonna work on the other side, on the shoulder, hip, and all that stuff. Okay.
Gotcha.
And then the young lady is gonna work on your muscles at the end with the massage. Okay.
Gotcha.
Let me know if this motion. So is this motion gonna be uncomfortable for you, like this?
Won't know until we try.
Right. So let's try that. And don't like your fingers. Is this uncomfortable for you?
Nope.
No.
Not enough.
Not okay. I'm gonna reach in like this here. Reach in like that. Good. Now take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Relax your body. That is super tight. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax. Oh man, we got everything. Woo. You can let it go.
It was tight, huh?
Ooh, man. Yeah. Been a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Yep, we got everything. All right. So let me take care of your joints, and then after that, do your lower back and neck, and then we're gonna work on the shoulder. Okay. So relax. So you got a nice watch, man. The surgery ain't no downtime in the surgery.
Man, I got to keep up, man. Ain't throw it away.
Good. Let's go to the other side. All right. Relax. Good. Okay. Good. All right. I'm going to have you on your side. Let's have you face me. Shoulder, you had the surgery. Okay. Gotcha. All right. Bring your body a little bit closer to me. There you go. Good. I'm going to reach in like this here. Good. Good. Make this leg straight. Bend this leg. Good. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Yes, sir. Whew. Well, I tell you, boy, you're popping today, though. Yeah. You could tell your body needed it, right?
Mm-hmm. I already knew.
Whew. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Now, just take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Yeah, we got it too. Yes, sir. Okay. Not too bad?
Not bad at all.
All right. Let's have you go ahead and sit up. There we go. Good. All right. Let's have you right in the middle. So, I'm going to do the neck, and then after that, we're going to go back, and then we're going to work on shoulder, hip, all of those things, okay?
Gotcha.
And then the young lady will take over after.
Sounds good.
All right. Right here. Okay. I need you to relax for me. Good. You got like twice.
Yeah, I took that. That's what's up.
So your body just told you come up in here today, right?
I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it. It was supposed to be 2 weeks ago, for real.
For real, yeah. And you know the way our schedule is it's usually booked, so
Yeah,
you got
get it when you can.
get in when you can.
Right. So.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want to see if there's something for this side too.
Yes, that's what we're gonna do next. All right. So let's see here. Relax for me. Good. Let's see here. Let everything go for me here. Good, 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 good. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Okay, so now we're gonna focus on everything, but a lot of shoulder type of maneuvers. Okay.
Sounds good.
Relax for me here. Deep breath. Out. That's good. Deep breath. Let that go. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Let that go. Yeah. Yes, sir. Whew. Deep breath. Let it out. Let it go. Yes, sir. Good. We're gonna go deeper this time. Deep breath. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Ooh.
That's it. That's what we were looking for.
Yes, sir. Yeah, let's go right here. Relax. Slow on this one here. There you go. This side is tighter though for some reason.
Move the surgery side.
Move your body to this side. There you go. Perfect. Let everything go. Deep breath. Let it out. Good. Gonna go deeper on this one. Deep breath. Out. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Good. Okay. Deep breath. Out. Good. Deep breath. Out. Deep breath. Let it out. Let your body go. Good. Nice. One more time. Deep breath. Let your body go. Good. Yes, sir.
Great.
Deep breath. Out. Let your body go. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Good. Perfect. Nice.
That's a good lower back.
Yes, sir. Deep breath. Out. Relax it, let it go. There you go. Good.
Okay.
We're just slowly, because we can't just jump to it, you know what I mean? That's where injuries happen.
Let you do your job.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go. Perfect. Deep breath. There you go. Deep breath. There you go. Let it go, relax it, relax it. There you go, good. Deep breath. And let it go, let it go. Good. Perfect. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go. Relax it, relax it. Good. Deep breath. Whew. Okay. Deep breath. Let it down. Good. Let it go. Relax. Good. Deep breath. Out. Deep breath. And let it go. Relax. Good. Deep breath. And let it go. Good. Deep breath. Let it go. Good. Let that go for me. We're going higher, deep breath. And let it go again. There you go. Good. Yeah. Deep breath. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Perfect. Yes, sir. Get the forearm. Good. One last time. Good. We got one more. Deep breath. Let it go. Good. Deep breath. Good. Deep breath. Let it go. And let it go. Good. One last time, deep breath. Good.